Okay, we got our head here. We sanded it down. We went in and we touched up spots that needed to be touched up. Sanded that down. Then I used 220 grit sandpaper and went hand sanded the entire thing to help make it even a little more smoother. So we're going to put our base paint on our head and paint the head. We'll paint the hands that we did, back of the head and the mouth. We'll get this all painted. And I'm going to use just an acrylic white for a base paint. And I'll start with my center and work my way out from the center point. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. So we're going to just continue on, get everything here painted, let it dry. Then I'll take some 220 grit sandpaper and lightly sand off a few spots and then give it a second coat. And then hopefully by then we'll be ready to start putting color to it. So we'll just continue on, finish painting this, let it dry, and then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.